What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Yall, and I'm back with another video. Y'all really supporting your boy. Y'all really messing with your boy, man. I appreciate the love and support. It's much appreciated, man. This is what keeps me going. This is what keeps me making these videos. And I see y'all really enjoyed that last cooking video, so I got another one for y'all. It's something quick, it's something tasty, it's something delicioso, you feel me?
Oh, delicioso.
But before we get into that, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds. For real, man, I just want to thank y'all. Just want to, let y'all know that I see y'all in the comments. I see y'all showing support, and I see y'all showing love. And for me to give back to y'all, I'm doing a cash giveaway. So I need y'all to get me to 1,000 subscribers. We almost there, man. We is almost there. I just need a little bit more, man. We's almost there at 1,000 subscribers, yo. It already feel like I got 1,000, so let's keep that same energy going, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Takes 2 seconds, man. But nonetheless, man, without further explanation or anything else, man, let's tap right into this video. And man, today we're gonna be cooking up some pad thai, some chicken pad thai, y'all. Chicken pad thai, that's one of my favorites too. I'm kind of transitioning into, going vegetarian. It's very hard. I wake up every day and I'm just like, damn, man, like what am I really about to eat? And so, like I told y'all before, like I fast until 5 o'clock really. If not, I try to do 3, 4-ish type deal. Some days I gotta get me something to eat early. I don't know, man. Fasting is very hard, but I'm definitely staying disciplined. I'm definitely staying down. It's a journey to say the least. I always tell y'all that, bro. But I've been on this journey for a good, maybe more than half a year now, for real. And man, let's start cooking. Let's talking, So we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna show y'all my ingredients. I'm currently making me some tea right now to, relax, get in my mood. I usually start my tea, in the morning. I get 1 cup, maybe 2 cups, but I usually get 1 cup in the morning. It's 2:30, kids about to get out of school. I need me a cup of tea, man. Oh, yo, I got this new honey, Stephen Ed's. It's raw unfiltered with bee pollen. Yeah, focus on that. All right, I made my tea. I'm gonna let that steep for like 5 minutes or so. Also, I put my ginger in there. All right, y'all. So we gonna hop right into it, man. We gonna hop right into it.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn.
Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just yeah, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question.
That's it right there. That's it right there. Y'all, I did my thing. I think I put my foot up in this. Y'all, it's been a pleasure. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all, try out some of these recipes. Don't forget about the cash giveaway I got coming, man. It's coming soon. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm choosing one of y'all down there in the comments. Two of y'all down there in the comments. Yeah, as soon as I hit, sending out some money. I'ma announce who's gonna win the giveaway in a vlog. Just get me to 1,000. Get me to 1,000, man. We almost there. We literally like an inch away. So get me to 1,000. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, all of that, man. All of that. We're going up. It's only up from here, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Try one of these recipes, y'all. Make sure y'all tapped in it for real. Until next video, y'all. Peace and love. Y'all stay safe, stay prayed up, man. All that. All right, y'all.